Okay, guys, they say there's no dumb questions, but I'm here to tell you I really just asked a really dumb one. Like, I have been trying to figure out why this red light is on my Brother SE2000 for hours. Like hours I spent the other day, time that I then, submitted a ticket. There's a girl that I know who works there. I messaged her. I'm like, any idea? She submitted a ticket for me. Someone called me yesterday. It was an unknown number, so I didn't pick up. Then they emailed today, said call back. I call back. Okay, she calls. I'm not kidding you. My phone could not have said that I was on there for more than a minute. You know what she says? She's like, okay, so this is rotating through. What have you done? I'm like, I have changed the presser foot. I have taken the embroidery thing off. I have pulled the pedal in and out. Nothing is working. I'm like, every button I touch, it's not working. She's like, okay, so this is just going through. I'm like, yeah, and I can't sew. And she goes, just touch the touch screen. Just touch the touch screen. I'm like, what? So then she goes, yeah, now just put the presser foot down. You have no idea how many YouTube videos I YouTubed. You know what they said? Like, take this off. There's some bobbin is messed up. Use tweezers, squeeze this, push this. No, you literally just touch the touch screen. That's a screensaver. That is a screensaver. Please. I have the book. I don't even know where the book is. I've gone through the book. I've gone through the whole index. Nothing was working. Ugh, there are dumb questions. And I just asked one. And I'm sorry, Emily at Brother, for taking up your time. But thank you so much for letting me know not only how to turn this screensaver off, but also that all I have to do is touch the touch screen and not the buttons below the touch screen. By the way, if you want to know how to turn your screensaver off indefinitely, you go over here, you press this button down here that looks like a little piece of paper. You use the right arrow key to scroll across to page 6. This says opening screen. You can press off and then OK. And then when you turn your machine off, where's the button? And then turn it back on, it won't go to the screensaver anymore. It will just go directly to the menu. And you can sew and you can embroider very easily. You're welcome.